Hi friends, welcome to Char's Animal Fact Show, where we discover amazing animals that live right here in Texas. Today we're learning about a very special bird that many people have never heard of. Let's meet the Attwater Prairie Chicken. Attwater Prairie Chickens live in the coastal prairies of Texas, where tall grass stretches as far as the eye can see. These wide open spaces are the perfect home for this amazing Texas bird. Long ago, there were thousands of prairie chickens across Texas. But today they are endangered, which means there are not very many left. One of the most exciting things about Attwater Prairie Chickens is their booming dance. When it's time to find a mate, the males puff up bright orange air sacs on the sides of their necks and make a deep booming sound. They stomp their feet, spin around, and show off their feathers. It's like a dance party right in the Texas prairie. These booming sounds are not quiet at all. In fact, other prairie chickens can hear them from over a mile away. That helps them find each other across the wide Texas grasslands. Attwater Prairie Chickens love living in tall grasses because it keeps them hidden from predators. They eat seeds, insects, and plants they find on the prairie floor. By eating insects, they help keep the prairie healthy and balanced. Because Attwater Prairie Chickens are endangered, people in Texas are working hard to protect them. Conservation programs help protect their grassland homes and raise young prairie chickens so they can be released back into the wild. Every little bit of help matters. Even though this Texas bird is rare, it is an important part of Texas history and nature. Protecting animals like the Attwater Prairie Chicken helps keep Texas wild and wonderful for future generations. Wow, the Attwater Prairie Chicken is a fascinating Texas animal with an incredible dance and a very important story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time on Char's Animal Fact Show, where we keep discovering incredible animals of Texas. This is part 4 of 7 in our Texas Animal Week series.